Good day to you all, dear viewers. So we are going to learn another fifth sketch and constraint exercise. In this particular exercise, we are going to complete the sketch with the full dimensioning and constraints. So without wasting any time, let us start. So first of all, you have to set the working directory. Go here. Go to your computer and select the required working directory, then set OK, then select new. So we will be using this sketch. Then here we will give exercise number 5. Then OK. So we will set the coordinate system first of all. Lock it in position. Okay. Now let us watch the drawing here. So here center hole, dia 24. So we will start from here. Dia 24, one hole. So let us draw the hole. Okay, now next part, R31 arc is there. Let us draw that one. So arc. So we will select the concentric arc option, then select the curve, then we will pick 2 points. And this one we will type 30. Next, okay, I think we will create this profile first. Whatever the available profile here, this we will create. So dia 12, 2 circles. So let us draw that circle. And the diameter is 12. Okay, then we will make this hole symmetric about the center axis. If you look at the drawing here, 54. This is equally divided from the center of this hole. Okay, right. So we can select the symmetric constraint and select this center point, the next center point, and the axis. Now we can give the dimension. So the center to center, it is 54. So you have to select the point, second point, and press a middle button. That is the procedure. And if you look at this dimension, this is 37. Let us add those dimensions also. So here, this is 37. Next, here R15, 2 curves, and R12 here, and this point is in a horizontal line with the center point. Okay, so we will consider this end point is straight with the center point, horizontal. So let us draw the arc, concentric arc. So this is R15. So let us, you can mirror it, but I think the sketching option will be much more comfortable. So let us select the arc option. Then let us draw another curve as well. And now we can give equal, these 2 curves equal. Okay. Now here there is an arc R60, and if it is not given, you have to assume that this is tangent. Okay, so draw the R60 curve. So here you can select now 3-point arc, 3 point. So select this point, this point. Okay, now this let me check. Okay, so this one we will change to 60. Then here already tangent constraint is there, the other side we have to add the tangent. Now we can drag this little bit inside, similarly this also. Now let us draw the another arc. So this point here, something like this, and this is R12, and here we can add tangency, this line, and this one tangent. So now we will draw one more line here. Okay, now another one more thing, we can add this point coincident with this line. So coincident, this point and this line coincident. Okay, now here we have another dimension, that is 14. This center to here, it is 14. So add those dimensions. So this center to this, it is 14. One more thing, we have to add this point and point horizontal. So select the horizontal constraint and this point, and here it is say, okay, I think let us delete this constraint. Now we shall add this. So this point. Okay. Now similarly we will add another one more line on the opposite side. Okay, let us add this line and another arc here. Sorry, not like this. Undo. Not like this. So we will add something like this. Now let us first make this horizontal, this point, and here we will make it horizontal. Now we will add the arc, this here and here. One more time. And this is 12. Or we can make it equal also. Okay, it doesn't matter. I think we will delete and make it equal. So equal this and this curve equal. So now here, if you look at carefully, here there is a profile. So how to add this profile into our drawing? So for that, if you go here, palette, here you can go to shapes, arc racetrack, one option is there. You can click here, double click and a middle click, so left click. Okay, then you can use this, maybe here we will give some value, let us say 15. Then we will use the rotate tool, rotate, sorry, actually, okay, we will insert once again. So select this, press a left click, then give some value here, say 15, enter. Then let us rotate this. So approximately we want something like this. Okay, I think okay, let it be like this. Sorry, like this. Now, okay, let it be. Now what we will do, we will check our drawing. So this center and this center is horizontal. Let us add those. This we can close it. Vertical, this center and this center we will make it vertical. Okay. And what about this angle? That angle is 30 degree. Just add this 30 degree. And this point and this center point we can make it coincident. So you can see this R60 is coincident with this origin point. So first let us give the radius first. Okay, R60 is there, so no issue, it is already maintained. Now we can make this coincident, use the coincident constraint. This point coincident. Okay, now this is R10. This where it is here, you can see this inside one is R10. So let us delete the 15. Delete the 15 here, and here we will add 10. Now let us, you can offset it, but instead of that what I am going to do is I am going to use again concentric circle here. Okay, like this. Again this. So like this. Okay. Now let us make it tangent so that okay. Now this radius is how much? R14. So let us change this value to 14. No, it is not working now. So let me reduce little bit. Okay, let us add a tangent constraint with this. Okay. Now I think automatically it become 14. Let us check. Okay. And so that part is over. Now we have to do the same thing on the other side also. So this 48.55, it should not be 48.55, it should be 60. Okay, now it is right. Now here another profile is there, a curve. So that is R12. Let us draw that curve also. Arc, 3-point arc we will use. So this point, okay, this is R12. Let us make it coincident, this point coincident, and here we will make it 12. Oh, tangent, we will make it 12. So up to that part it is okay. Now next I think we will mirror this particular profile. Okay, So you can select this, press Ctrl key and select the entire curve. I think we will select this also. Then go to mirror, select this axis. Okay, now it is also set in position. Now we have to do the same thing, similar to the other side what we have done earlier. So go to arc, concentric, then we will use this arc. Okay, so that part also over. Now we will make it tangent. So this tangent, here also we will add tangency. Now we can make coincident. This is the coincident constraint. This point and this point coincident. Now again we will add tangency to this. So let me check the dimension to make sure. Okay, 14. Now we will add one more curve here. So 3-point arc we will draw, 3-point. So let me start from here. So now we will make tangent first, tangent, then this is 12. So now you can see that the entire sketch we have completed properly with all the dimensions. So in this we have studied, we have learned about how to use the palette, then how to use mirror, then other concentric arc, then equal constraint, coincident constraint, horizontal constraint, etc. So this is a advanced level sketch and constraint exercise. So thanks for watching and save your work. Okay. Thank you.